presentations. Yeah, it's been an exciting journey throughout this 1+ years. I've been playing multiple roles at Codex and in the coach. Thank you so much, Srivatsa, for being a really good manager and a fantastic times we had. And thank you so much, Siddharth. And it's been an indelible role you played in my journey. And thank you so much, Lala, for helping me out and motivating me always. And thank you so much, the entire team, like Pulkit and whoever is there, supporting me and always keeping my bars high. A special thanks to Siyash and Nayak for playing a mentorship in my Dumbledore. And yeah, thank you so much, Prajwal, Atishay, and Vibhag.
I was just surprised that I was considered for this award. Therefore, it comes as full of astonishment. I humbly express my utmost gratitude to my team and the entire management of Mathco. Thanks a ton.
Hello everyone, my name is Surbhi. I'm extremely honored to receive Pole Vaulter Award this year. Thank you so much, Math Company. I would like to thank Amit for believing in me and guiding me throughout my journey in Mathco. And special shout out to my team members. Really appreciate the hard work and efforts you guys put. Looking forward to achieve more success here. Thank you.
Hello everyone. It feels amazing to be awarded as the pole vaulter of the organization. I always believe in giving 100% to any work which I'm part of, and always think in terms of business to provide simple and most effective solution which gets consumed by the larger audience. Thank you, Mathco, for recognizing all our hard work and effort. It makes us feel more valued for delivering work every day.
I'm very honored and grateful to be receiving this award. Special thanks to my team and to all the other amazing people at Mathco who worked with me, helped me and guided me along the way. We wouldn't have been able to do this without you. I'm very excited by Codex and its suite of revenue management applications that enable our customers to unlock business value. I'm so proud that Codex is helping our customers realize value at speed, and that it is simultaneously also helping our company achieve non-linear growth. Reach out to the Codex team if you want to learn more.
Hi everyone, I'm very excited and very happy to receive the Role Model of the Year award at Mathco. This wouldn't have been possible without the constant hard work and the efforts that everybody at Mathco Engineering basically puts every single day. The significant growth that we have had at engineering, product engineering, data science and all the verticals basically signifies that everybody at Mathco is a role model in themselves. So yeah, this award is for basically everyone. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I had no idea of being nominated, so it was really surprising I want this recognition to portray the significance of work that the Codex team does. I would like to thank Harshad, Sridhar and Srivatsa for their guidance, RK and Preeti for their creative design, Manju for his constant vigilance on our application, Sagar, Shubhashrish and Nirmal for the great coordination and the diligence that they have shown. I would like to thank the COFOs for deeming me worthy of this reward. Thank you very much.
Hey everyone, thank you Mathco for recognizing me for Spirit of Quest Award. I would like to give shout out to Abhijit and Nilesh for mentoring me and guiding me to the right path. And obviously a huge shout out to my manager Krishnan. Without his support, I don't know if I would be in this position to receive this award. He believed in me more than I believed in myself, and I guess that is the key reason I'm here accepting this award. So yeah, cheers to 5 years of Mathco.
Extremely happy and humbled to have received the Founders Hall of Fame award. My journey within the Math company has been extremely exciting. Every day has brought its own set of challenges, learnings and opportunities. I would really like to thank the co-founders, my mentors within the organization, as well as my family for their constant support. Really looking forward to continue my contribution towards company growth. Thank you.